Congratulations on your purchase of a new Reveal Upgrade product. Peter is about to arrive home from the computer store where he's purchased a Reveal product. He's excited as you are to begin installing it. In fact, he's stoked. Let's see if we can see why. No wonder he's bought a new Reveal Upgrade just like yours. He knows Reveal products are really easy to install. Go, Peter. He knows how quick it will be to get things up and running. Of course, you do have to do the installation step by step, and you're going to need a little patience when it comes to following the instructions. But we'll be here all the way, talking you through it and showing you each step. For example, the first thing we want to check out is what's in the box. Your Reveal TV card installation kit should contain the following items: the Reveal TV card itself, packed in its anti-static bag, a VGA feature connector cable, a TV audio cable, a software installation diskette, an installation guide, your warranty registration card, and various other update sheets, announcements, and special offers from Reveal. Be sure you have everything before you begin, and leave the Reveal TV card in its anti-static bag for now. You'll want to fill in your warranty registration card immediately and put it in the mail right away. And by the way, keep your purchase receipt. You'll need it too for warranty purposes. Also, make sure you have your computer owner's manual on hand. You can use this video most effectively if you first watch it all the way through so you get an overview of the installation process. Next, watch the steps of each phase separately and pause the video at the end of the phase. Then do each phase, carefully following the installation guide. A review of each phase will help remind you of the steps you need to perform. Okay, let's begin the installation by opening the computer and taking a quick tour of the important components in it. Remember, no two computers look exactly alike, and the insides of your computer may not look the same as this one. Before you do anything, make a diagram in your Reveal manual of how your external cables and cords are connected, so you can reconnect them later. Then turn off the power to your computer and your monitor if they were on. Next, unplug all the computer's power cords and any cables which may be attached to it. Then you ground yourself by touching one of the metal screws on the back of your computer. You'll want to ground yourself this way often in order to discharge yourself of any static electricity. No, it's certainly not that powerful, but just a tiny discharge is powerful enough to damage sensitive computer parts. Next, remove your monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and remove all the screws which secure the cover in place. Your computer manual will show you where they are. By the way, a Phillips screwdriver is the only tool you'll need for the entire installation procedure. Finally, gently slide off your computer's cover, being careful not to snag any wires inside. Now let's take a quick tour of your computer to familiarize you with its essential parts. Right here is the power supply and its bundle of extra power cables used to connect any new upgrade that needs power. And over here in front are the drive bays. These are the 5 1/4 inch drive bays, and the 3 1/2 inch bays are usually here or here. This big circuit board here on the bottom is called the motherboard. These are called expansion slots, and on this computer they're on a riser card which plugs into the motherboard. The expansion slots are where you plug in your upgrade cards. On most computers they're located right on the motherboard. In this example you'll see two kinds of slots, the larger divided 16-bit slots and the smaller single section 8-bit slots. You may also find Visa local bus and PCI slots. That's about it. These few components are the essential parts of all computers, although they may be arranged differently. For example, a tower computer is laid out like a desktop computer, only on its side, with the drive bays right here. Now let's do a quick review of what you'll need to do before going on to the next phase. Check the contents of the box your upgrade came in and fill out and mail the warranty card. Make a diagram of your computer connections, turn the power off, and remove all cables. Be sure to ground yourself before opening your computer. Remove the monitor, take out the screws on the cover, and gently slide the cover off. Now we're going to show you how to install your Reveal TV card. The first thing you have to do is check to see that your VGA card has a feature connector. This one does. If yours does not, you'll have to purchase a video card which does. Any of Reveal's full line of video cards will work for you. So to begin, take your Reveal TV card out of its anti-static bag, being sure to handle it only by the edges, and lay the card on top of the bag. Next, locate an available expansion slot which is right next to your VGA card. The expansion slot must be a 16-bit slot, one with double connectors, to accommodate your Reveal TV card. Now unscrew the cover plate and set the screw aside. You'll be using it later. Now take one end of your feature connector cable and align it to the connector on your VGA card, making sure the colored striped edge is facing pin number 1 on the connector. Then just plug it in and make sure it's firmly seated. Next, pick up your Reveal TV card carefully by the edges and align it to the empty expansion slot, and press the card firmly into place in the 16-bit connector, and make sure it's tightly secured. Now take the other end of your feature connector cable and align it to the connector on your Reveal TV card. Again, make sure the colored striped edge is facing pin number 1, which is marked on the connector, and then plug it in so it's firmly seated. And finally, secure the Reveal TV card in the slot with the screw which you saved for that purpose. And that's it. Good job, and you did it yourself. Now let's do a quick review of these steps. Determine if your VGA card has a feature connector on it. Take your Reveal TV card out and lay it on top of its anti-static bag. Locate an empty 16-bit expansion slot next to your VGA card and remove the cover plate. Take one end of your feature connector cable and plug it into the VGA card, making sure the colored striped edge faces pin number 1. Press your new Reveal TV card firmly into the 16-bit expansion slot and secure it to the computer. And finally, connect the other end of your feature connector cable to your Reveal TV card, again making sure the colored striped edge is facing pin number 1. Now we're going to close the computer. Slide the computer cover back on, being careful not to snag any of the cables. Then replace the screws you removed, and replace your monitor where it was, and put your keyboard and mouse back on the desk. Next, use the diagram you drew to reconnect the power cords and the cables that link the computer, monitor, and keyboard together. Okay, this completes the internal installation of your new Reveal upgrade. Only a few connection and software steps remain. Now we're going to show you the external connections you need to make and how to install your software. The first thing you have to do is unplug your monitor cable from your VGA card and plug it into the left-hand connector on your Reveal TV card. Now take your TV audio cable and plug the single-end connector into your VGA card and the similar connector on the other end into the matching connector on your TV card. The small connectors plug into any video source such as a camera or a VCR. And this is where you connect your cable TV or TV antenna. Now turn on your computer and go to Windows and insert installation disk number 1 into your drive. Then just follow the instructions in your installation guide to complete the process. The fun begins in the next segment. But first, let's do a quick review. Unplug your monitor from your VGA card and replug it into your Reveal TV card. Plug the single connector end of your TV audio cable into your VGA card and the similar connector on the other end into your TV card. Plug the smaller connectors into any video source. Then turn on your computer, go to Windows, insert installation disk number 1, and simply follow the prompts on the screen. Now we're going to show you how to use your new Reveal TV card. First, you open up the program group icon, which may be different on your software, and then enter the TV card program. You'll see a screen and at the right, a remote control. There they are. Click on the menu bar and then the Scan Channels button, and you'll activate your TV channel screen. This screen will pull in the first 12 TV stations it finds, or you can pre-program it to the 12 stations you watch the most. When you click on List at the bottom of the screen, you bring up a requester that lets you add or delete channels. In this example, we'll delete all channels and then add some new ones. If you want to scan all the channels, just click on Add All. Exiting to the main screen, your selected channel will be playing inside a screen which is scalable, which means you can change the size to any proportionate length and width. The Style button serves 3 functions. Its default setting is to display a TV screen with a title bar. Click on Style again and you lose the bar. Click on Style once more and your TV image will be displayed in the smaller screen on the remote. This allows you to, for example, browse through a document while still viewing what's on your TV screen. Click on Style again and you're back to the scalable screen. Amazing, isn't it? You can capture an image from your screen by clicking on the Capture button and typing its description in the requester which comes up. Then you can bring it up anytime. Click on the menu bar on the remote and then the Picture Controls bar at the top of the menu, and you now have the capability of changing brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, and tint. The default button will return the settings to their original position. The Audio Balance menu allows you to adjust the stereo effect left or right, provided your audio out is plugged into the line in of your sound card. TV Band allows you to adjust your signal for broadcast, cable video, and other picture standards. It automatically adjusts to whichever video source is playing. The Fine Tune slider adjusts the picture quality of your screen. The Preset Channels menu allows you to add or delete channels to your 12-channel scanning presets. Video format allows you to view both the United States NTSC and the European PAL or PAL video formats. The Timer Setup menu enables you to set your software to turn on your TV programs at specified times to view a program. You'll never miss your favorite program again. A particularly important feature is the closed caption function. The off position is for normal viewing. Closed Caption 1 allows the hearing impaired to view standard caption formats, and Closed Caption 2 is for alternative formats in other languages. The capture function will save the closed caption text to a file you can name and access anytime. No more sending in money for program transcripts. Neat feature, huh? And there's more. Windows Style allows you to choose the size of the screen which comes up when you boot up your computer. Standard window size is what you see here. Maximum is a full screen size. Picture Adjust enables you to center the picture in the TV window and to select an overlay color that will not conflict with the colors in the Windows desktop. The Zoom In function lets you capture and blow up any portion of the screen you choose. Zoom Out returns you to your normal screen. Proportional scaling controls the picture screen size, allowing you to stretch it in any direction you want. Always on top lets you keep the picture in view over any document or screen that is behind it. Save Settings is just like in Windows, where you can save all the settings you changed during your last use of the program. The Action mode accommodates fast-moving video by minimizing motion artifacting. The High Resolution mode works best for video which does not have a lot of fast-moving scenes. Display Clock will show the time continuously at the bottom of the screen. To close your program, simply click on the Off button. Enjoy your new Reveal TV card. And by the way, the program supports channel blocking so you can black out certain channels from use. Congratulations on your successful installation of your new Reveal Upgrade product. Reveal has a full line of computer upgrades from memory to multimedia. Check them out at your dealers. You'll discover that the world's best computer products are from Reveal.